Welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Do you want to see how I steam my eggplant? Here you could see my bell peppers, onion and garlic in oil. Because you have to have oil to saute. Then you're just going to add the eggplant. So that's 5 small eggplants, and I'm just going to add it to the sauteed oil and seasoning, right? Then you're going to add 2 cups of water to it. This is how I'm going to steam my eggplant. Now here you could see I have Sazon with no MSG. I'm going to sprinkle some so that would add salt and it gives it a little color too. Of course, I'm going to add some black pepper to it. And I'm still going to add some garlic salt. Just a dash of garlic salt. Now I'm just gonna cover it up and let it cook for like 15 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's so simple. When you come back, you check it to see if it's cooked and you are good to go. Steamed eggplant. They are cooked and ready to be served. See what I am having for lunch? This is lunch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below.